Marion. I wanted to show you what I did. When I was in your classes, only one of them, which I think was the Today class, had assignments listed. The other two only had the portal. So I wanted to show you what I've done is I've moved the module right here. Obviously, students are not going to have access to anything I haven't check marked off, but they have access to the portal and the tech support link. So the assignments that you had within that one were all end of chapter assignments, and there is no grade on those. So if you look at here, if I went when it clicked into MindTap through your portal, the end of chapter assignments are just practice. So there's not going to be a gradebook column within Canvas for those. So I'm not sure. So I ended up eliminating all of those from each course because it was only in one course. I can put them back, but it doesn't make sense to just have that one activity unless you're just going to have them there for for them to review, because there are all these other assignments that actually count towards the grade. So I don't know if you only want these ones to count towards the grade and the other ones to not. I can switch that around and make that happen, and then I will reinsert them into the learning path. But again, like what in MindTap here in the MindTap courses, everything that counts towards grade can be pulled over to give you a gradebook column, but the ones you had selected were not ones that actually count towards the grade. So I took them all out because I wasn't sure. But let me know what you want to do. So in other words, I need to know exactly what you want to have count towards the grade and entered into put it and then put into the modules. The other option is to just leave it as it is and just have one access point, which would be this for the students to go into MindTap. And then they would just see it in this whole sense right here. And then you would get one gradebook column for everything they accomplished that would filter into Canvas. So let me know how you want to do that. Also, there are no start and end dates on anything. So if, for instance, if you want all of chapter 1 to be due at a certain time, all of chapter 2, let me know and I can take care of that for you as well. But at this point, all the students are going to have in their Canvas is the ability to log into MindTap. I don't know also if you want me to customize it, I will hide everything so students can't see it, except they just have the ability to get into the ebook for the first time, or perhaps just chapter 1. Um, anyway, I'm going to follow up with a video for the students on how to gain access. I just wanted to see what your customization uh, question or how you wanted me to customize it first. Like I said, and then I can get that video to them. Okay, let me know. Bye bye.